Today let's see a PCB made by Rogers 5880 material. As you can see, the color for this PCB is gray. It's due to the color for RO5880 substrate is brownish gray color. Look, these are some samples we made before. RO5880 is selected as a PCB substrate when high-frequency performance, signal integrity, and reliability are paramount. Rogers 5880 laminate is a PTFE-based material characterized by a low dielectric constant of 2.2. Its thickness ranges from 0.003 inches to 0.240 inches. The copper core thickness options available for this laminate are 0.5 ounce, 1 ounce, 2 ounce, and 3 ounce, which can meet various circuit design requirements. Do you have such requests? Welcome to contact us anytime if you have any PCB request.